There are some few people looking at us today, and I want to say hi. I want to talk to a lot of people who are down in the place where you are. You are down, maybe what you are looking for, the money you are looking for, the gold you are looking for, the hair you want, what you want, you're not really getting it. And then you're looking up to and blaming someone, or what you're doing today is not moving. It will move. If it's not moving, change your strategy. If it's not moving, look for something else to add to it. What you're doing today, because somebody come across us and asking us a question. He said, whatever she put her hand to do does not move. I have witnessed such a thing in my life. Do you know, it's not easy for poverty to leave you. You may say, no, now I don't leave you poverty. You go to school, you become a graduate. The poverty go say, come and see job. I will not leave you. You know, you have to struggle, and that's why I'm giving her this advice. She says she's crying. Anything she puts her hand, it doesn't move. Sister, it has happened exactly to me. There was a time, anything I put my hand. In fact, from when I was young, when I was growing from my 20, 21, 22, oh my God, Gushy, I now got married 23. I was even thinking, am I bad luck to my husband? Did I carry the same thing and give to him? Yes. I'm telling you a reality. What happened in my life? Things were so bad that I was ashamed of, coming close to my friends. Why? Because I know that I rejected this poverty. I try my best. I learn a lot of things. I do this. What I put my hand doesn't move. But I didn't stop. Yes, this lover that you're seeing, I begin to sell crayfish. People will say, yes, crayfish, he give gain. He give gain. I don't see any gain. Yeah. I begin to sell red oil. People will say, red oil doesn't have gain. You don't give me gain. I don't get. I begin to sell semovisa. That is where the worst. That was the one I even started with. A lot of things has happened. Yes, a lot of things happened to me. But when I got into what God has called me to do, when I enter back to school, I open a school because I use my certificate and open a school. Oh my God, good share. It didn't start moving immediately. It took me 2 years and they bounced up. And when it started moving, it did not stop because I have swim in poverty. I have swim in lack. I have swim in what will I call it? So my life turned around. I become hardworking. So are you hardworking? As you are choosing the things you want God to do for you, want God to help you, you do this, it didn't work, you turn to this. Don't be tired. Until when you are tired, it will not work. When you are tired, you are dead. When you are tired, you don't buy, they are alive again. That's what it means. But when you are not tired, law of Ada is telling you that you will make it. I don't know what other people are going to tell you, but I want to tell you, please advise our sister who said is tired. Anything she put her hand to do does not work. You can tell her your own life story. Tell her things. It will work. Continue. Whatever your mind directs you to do, do it. Do it. Continue to do it. Don't be tired. You will be on top.